When clients decide to open a self-directed IRA, one of the most common requests we receive centers around facilitating the discussion with their old asset manager, because it's never easy to ask a company to release your funds. It's like calling someone using a rotary system. You have to physically disconnect a cord from one outlet to another. That's how it could feel, rolling money from one account to another, even though it's a fairly common practice. The bottom line is this: Noble Gold Investments can do everything for you except two things. Sign the documents, and we can't talk to your old asset manager. To protect you, the law prohibits anyone from transacting on your behalf, with very few exceptions. But here are the things you can do to make this process easier and faster for you. Make an advance call to the firm you're rolling the account from. First, you need to know what the paperwork is needed for the money to be released, and we can help you with that. The best place to find out is call us first, and we have a good relationship with most custodians, so we'll pretty much know how to get the money moved over. If you have an issue with that, you can also call your current firm. Sometimes they're going to require a DocuSign, sometimes a wet signature. Basically just asking the procedure, rolling your assets to another provider, and find out the following. What's the time frame that you can expect from when you make the request for the money to when it'll be transferred? Are they going to charge you anything to move the money over? What paperwork needs to be signed and filled out on their side? Do they have the correct address? These are sort of some of the questions that can speed up the process. But be prepared for a little pushback. Maybe ask to reconsider, talk to someone to help you maintain where the account is. If you're not interested in keeping your funds there, it's okay to tell the firm that you made up your mind and that you just need the rollover information to further delay, so you don't delay the process. Let us know what type of account you want to open, or if you need more information about your options. If you have a traditional, old 401k or a traditional IRA, maybe you want to do a traditional IRA, a Roth, Gold IRA, let us know. We'll guide you through the process. We have the complete list. We have a full team that works 6 days a week, and they are going to work tirelessly to make sure that the funds get moved over safely. You're going to initiate that transfer. When you have a rollover or transfer part of your old retirement fund, you can roll that directly into a Gold IRA. Once the transfer is initiated, we'll keep you updated through emails and phone calls. We'll keep an eye on the funds. For when they show up in the account, we'll be ready to go ahead and give you a call, and then we can help you, and you'll decide what types of metals you're going to want to put in your IRA. Ultimately, it's your decision about what types of gold, silver, platinum, palladium you'd like. So we'll call you and go through the different options that are eligible. Not all coins and bars are eligible, so we will go through that. You could keep the old account open if you want. If you have some dividends coming in there or some residual income, that's obviously up to you. When you roll over the IRA with us, our custodian next year will have a document for you ready, 1099 form, if there's anything that's needed for the IRS. Equity Trust has been in business since 1974, so they will get all that paperwork lined up. So you don't have to worry about that. So we're here to help. Obviously it can sound like moving funds over can be a little cumbersome, but our team is really specialized at, and we've moved over thousands and thousands of accounts. So if you have any questions, or the process isn't going the way you like and you want to get in touch with us, give us a call at 877-646-5347. Give us a call as soon as possible, and we'd love to answer any questions about how this process works.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.